Mortadella is one of the most loved cured meats in Italy and is typical of the Bolognese gastronomic tradition. It has a centuries-old history, and its name is even traced back to Roman times. It can be served with bread or served as an appetizer, accompanied by other cured meats and cheeses. Mortadella is an oval or cylindrical sausage. The pink part, that represents about 80% of the product, is the lean part of the meat, which is obtained from the pork shoulder. The white part, on the other hand, is the fatty part of the meat, consisting of lardons, which are obtained from the pig's throat. Let's go and see the various stages of production. Grinding. The pork fat is cut with very high precision blades and cut into cubes. The lean part, on the other hand, is shredded and ground, passing it through a large meat grinder, which reduces it to a sort of cream. The meat puree ends up in the mixer, together with the lardons, which are added in variable quantities, depending on the manufacturer's recipe. Everything is mixed in order to obtain a homogeneous mixture and lasts about 20 minutes. Salt, pepper, herbs, and pistachio are added if required. Depending on the brand, thickeners such as polyphosphates or additives that improve the characteristics of the product, such as flavor enhancers, can be added. The dough formed, thanks to the stuffing machine, is placed inside a casing of variable dimensions, which can be natural or artificial. Traditionally, it was done with the ox bladder. The mortadella is tied with a string in order to keep it compact and adherent to the casing, to prevent it from changing shape during the subsequent cooking phase. Cooking. The casing with mortadella is hung and cooked thanks to dry air stoves, which can reach a temperature of about 70 degrees Celsius. Thanks to a probe, the temperature inside the mortadella is controlled. Cooking can last from a few hours to several days in the case of large sausages. This is a delicate phase, as the fatty part must not be dissolved. Shower. After cooking, the showering phase begins where it is cooled in water, reaching 10 degrees Celsius, in order to stabilize the product. It is then left to rest in a cooling cell and then stored in cold storage. Not all mortadellas are the same. In those of low quality, poor cuts of meat are used. Mortadella di Bologna is an excellent and high-quality cured meat that is made exclusively with first-choice pork. It has obtained the recognition of Protected Geographical Indication (PGI), which recognizes it as a product rooted in the specific production area. At the same time, the certification ensures all stages of production that must comply with certain quality standards.